Stop scrolling. If you fly drones, travel frequently, or just hate dealing with FAA registration, what I'm about to show you is the most important drone release of the year. Forget the Mini series. Forget complex FPV rigs. DJI has just built the ultimate beginner-friendly, pro-capable flyer. We are talking about the DJI Neo 2, and it's here to make flying effortlessly perfect. For months, the biggest question in the US drone market has been, will it actually come here? The answer, based on FCC filings and global packaging leaks, is a resounding yes, and the moment it lands, it will change everything. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. I've spent the last 3 months dissecting supply chain data and unverified but highly credible leaks. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because we are diving deep into the 3 leaked features that prove the Neo 2 isn't just a fun toy. It's a technological marvel built for safety and cinematic quality. The Safety Revolution. 360-degree avoidance for $259? Let's start with a feature that will eliminate the biggest fear of every new drone pilot: crashing. The Neo 2 is rumored to be the first drone in its class, the ultralight, sub-250-gram category, to feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Think about that. Front, back, sides, and top. It's a literal 360-degree digital shield around a drone that weighs less than a soda can. This level of safety was previously reserved for professional drones costing well over $1,000. The leaks suggest DJI has used a clever combination of infrared, visual sensors, and even a LiDAR-assisted system to achieve this. This isn't just a safety feature, it's a confidence feature. It allows beginners to fly in challenging environments, dense forests, tight urban spaces, even indoors, without the white-knuckle panic of hitting something. It means your autonomous quickshots will be smoother, safer, and work reliably every time. If you crash this drone, you're trying really hard. The camera upgrade. Cinematic power in your pocket. The original Neo was fast, but the video quality was just okay. The Neo 2 is reportedly solving this with a massive hardware jump. The key leaks point to an upgrade from a single axis to a new, robust 2-axis mechanical gimbal. This is the single biggest leap for cinematic video. It means your footage will be stable not only on the horizontal tilt but also vertically, eliminating the jerky horizon that plagues electronic stabilization in cheaper drones. When combined with DJI's advanced Rocksteady EIS, the resulting footage will look like it was shot on a full-sized rig, not a drone you can literally launch from your palm. Furthermore, the sensor is rumored to be an improved half-an-inch CMOS, capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second. 60 frames. That's the magic number for smooth, cinematic slow motion. This level of video quality in a drone that doesn't require FAA registration in the US is the absolute sweet spot for travel vloggers, casual creators, and social media professionals. It gives you true cinematic slow motion capabilities without the regulatory headache. It's an instant travel essential. The ultralight factor and FPV transformation. The Neo 2 is keeping its most critical feature, its weight. Coming in at around 135 to 151 grams, it stays comfortably under the 250-gram FAA registration limit for hobby flying in the US.